That's a great story. And the story is simply this. It's kind of multifaceted, and I'll try to tell you as quickly as possible. When I was a kid, my mother used to say, boy, you would argue with a signpost. Okay. And what she meant is that I would stand my ground, I guess, no matter what, I would stand my ground. And that later became a really a true thing for me because my brother got in trouble while in high school fighting over a girl, if you can believe it. Okay. And he decided to go home and find a gun and take it back to school. And of course, gratefully, they stopped him. My mother, they were separated from my father, so we couldn't afford an attorney at the time. So she said, son, I can't help you. You need to go to court by yourself. Take your brother with you. I was a younger brother. Okay. We got to court. I saw the attorneys up at the bench arguing for, the case, whatever. So they called my brother's name. I stepped up with him and I said, Your Honor, I move to dismiss this case. The judge looked down over the bench at me and said, are you a lawyer? I said, no, sir, but I'm going to be. That judge dismissed the case for me. And from that day on, I was kind of known as the family guy that can answer questions a whole bit now yours. But I realized that the reason I became a lawyer is that I love helping people, even if they're in trouble or even if there's something to do. When people come into my office, they always come in with a little bit of a burden. That's why they come into a law office. There's a little bit of a burden there. And you can kind of see that effect on them when they come in. And my joy is when they leave my office, it's gone. At least they seem lighter. They seem more educated about it. And that to me, it makes me feel real good at the end of the day that perhaps I said something or did something or gave them an insight to something that really helped them. And that idea of helping someone really turns me on.